Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Silver Dollar City. It's our first day being here in the summertime, and we are going to take a nice walking tour for you, and we're going to show you the quickest route to the new Fire in the Hole. So stick around.
Child over 8 sitting in your lap, and this is a non-smoking, non-vaping tram, folks.
Welcome to Silver Dollar City. As you are making plans to visit this summer, you should know that July 13th through August 4th, the city will be open for summer nights, opening at 9:30 a.m. until 10 p.m. This is an ideal time to enjoy all the rides while taking in beautiful sunsets and the glowing lights of the city. Also during this time, you can enjoy dance parties and concerts with firework finales. If you are like us and visit during midday, please keep in mind Missouri has hot, humid summer days. Much of the park sits on hilly, blacktop-covered paths which really heat up during the summer. And when you are walking back out of the park, uphill, it can cause quite the exertion. This is something to remember, especially if you have young children or grandpa and grandma with you. One great place to cool off is Marvel Cave. A cave tour is free with your admission. Marvel Cave houses the largest cathedral room discovered in Missouri and is on record as the third largest in the United States. The cave sits 300 feet below the surface, and tours depart daily from the hospitality house, which is where we are now. Come along as we head to the new Fire in the Hole.
My friend, let's go exploring.
As we leave the hospitality house, we enter the city. The new Fire in the Hole is the newest attraction in the park and is likely to be one of the rides you want to experience the most. The handy-dandy park app is telling me there is currently a 50-minute wait, so let's head straight there. We are now on Main Street, where you should pick up a copy of the Pathfinder, which contains a map of Silver Dollar City and the schedule for shows, as well as information about the park and even coupons you can use in Branson. From here, we are going to go to the right of the gazebo, past Fanny's famous funnel cakes, a very popular food stop, and on the left, Two Sisters Jewelry, as we head down Valley Road.
Yes, sir.
If you're like me, you will enjoy walking under this colorful canopy. Here is the blown glass factory. Let's check out part of the demonstration and walk through this beautiful shop. One of these days, I'm going to splurge and buy one of these beautiful pieces of glass to have in my home. One of my favorite shops in Silver Dollar City is Christmas Hollow. But today, we're going to keep on moving towards the new Fire in the Hole. On the right is one of the biggest thrill rides in the park, Time Traveler. On the left, you will see Buckshot Skillet Cookery, one of the park's popular eateries. Making a stop in any of Silver Dollar City's shops is another great way to cool off on a hot summer day. Here at Echo Hollow is where we make a left-hand turn and pass by Tater Twist and Frisco Kettle Corn, also great choices, as we head towards the Fire District. You know you are heading the right way when you cross the railroad tracks. As you wind your way down the road, you can hear the laughter coming from Boatworks Theater. Across from that, you will find Flanders Dry Goods, where Red has been working hard to get his new shop ready for the season. Just down a little further on the right is the brand new Sadie's Pretzel Cafe, the newest eatery in the city. Here, Sadie Flanders is serving up her famous pretzel dogs. Next, we're going to make a right-hand turn and walk all the way to the back of the Fire District, where we will finally come to the new home of Fire in the Hole. The tasting passports are back again this year. You can buy one at any location that offers a passport item or a Midtown Guest Services for $35 plus tax. The tasting passport allows you to try 5 different sample size eats from a large selection of options throughout the park. Silver Dollar City is also offering a refillable all-day souvenir mug that sells for $14.50 plus tax. This little splash pad is a great way to cool off on a hot summer day. Oh, and there's Lucky the Fire Dog. Did you know that Phoebe Snaps Taffy created a new, one-of-a-kind Fire in the Hole taffy? They say it tastes like sweet lemonade with just a little bit of cinnamon. Believe it or not, we are just about there. Follow the path to the right, and as we turn the corner, it's going to come into sight. Now you can jump in line and enjoy the ride. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit the like and do subscribe if you are new to the channel. We hope to see you next time.